Ladies and gentlemen, this evening would be incomplete without the inspiring words of our guiding light of this institution. We are honored to have with us our principal, Father Kishore Bakla, whom I kindly request to come up on the stage and address this gathering.
Honorable Chief Guest Father Babla Mandal, the Vicar General, Diocese of Raiganj, Honorable Chairman Mr. Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary, English Bazar Municipality, Malda, respected Mr. Prasenjit Ghosh, Councillor, Ward number 28, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, other invited reputed guests, our respected guardians, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear beloved students. Good evening to all of you. I am privileged to stand here before you to present in brief all that St. Mary's School has achieved in these last 24 months. That means 2 years. Our honorable guardians will be happy to note that the ISC results, both in 2024 and 2025, were 100%. The Council for Indian School Certificate Examination, under the umbrella of Games and Sports, conducted Taekwondo National Games in New Delhi. 7 students from our school participated in this competition, and one of them won a gold medal. 50 students visited the Adina forest and fort, which helped them arouse their curiosity towards archaeological monuments in our nation. I thank our beloved guardians for being a constant support through all these valuable journeys. All those associated with St. Mary's School Malda will recall with fondness that this institution stages School Sports Day and concert biennially. It is because both the events need time, planning, energy, concentration, and devotion. Without these, the events will bear no fruit, for it will merely reflect doing things for the sake of doing. St. Mary's School is an institution with an intent and commitment. Whether it is academic or co-curricular activities, St. Mary's always aims at excellence. The institution never wants to play a second fiddle to anyone in any sphere. It does not compromise with intent, purpose, values, commitment, and achievement. St. Mary's School expresses the same belief as Aristotle, a renowned Greek philosopher, who says, "Excellence is never an accident. It is always result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. Choice, not chance, determines your destiny." In order to drive forward, reverse gear sometimes becomes inevitable. Likewise, it is good to delve down the memory lane in order to march forward. In 2023, St. Mary's School, Malda, put up its 10th biennial concert with the purpose of blending together the academic and the co-curricular activities. In Indian cricket team, one will find place when one is truly an all-rounder. St. Mary's aims to make every student an all-rounder so that one day they will contribute towards the good of the nation. Biennial concert requires a lot of deliberation and discussion, followed by sheer hard work, discipline, dedication, teamwork, acceptance, and understanding. It helps us to value and admire the talent of the other person possesses. It gives rise to our creative dimension. Hence, many are the aspects due to which St. Mary's, Malda, puts up the biennial concert. The 10th biennial concert in 2023 at St. Mary's School ground was a resounding success for the artists who put up the program, the teachers who selected the items, and those who drilled them remaining behind the screen. I appreciate our teachers because in order to bring the students at the forefront, they choose to hide behind the screen, shaping, molding, building, and brightening them. Biennial concert harbors a tendency to celebrate and to uphold the local heritage, patriotism, and cultural legacies. The institution bonds together to share in a collective human experience that affects and reflects our day-to-day life. Biennial concerts provide a platform for young artists to be born and to grow into professionals, learning to network, exchange ideas, and foster dialogue on various social, cultural issues towards nation building. It also sometimes aims to reignite and revive some social values that are regressing, or sometimes to point out to a cultural value that is on decline. These are the leitmotif with which St. Mary's School, Malda, puts up the biennial concert. This year, the institution comes up with multiple themes in their presentation. In order to put up 10 minutes program, tens of hours of sheer hard work, dedication, and self-denial are involved. I admire the tenacity of the students. I am just wonderstruck at the assiduity of our teachers, who are directors of choreography and dance drama. Our guardians are part of it because they allow their children to go through all these drillings. Thales of Miletus, an ancient Greek pre-Socratic philosopher, once remarked, "Many words are not proof of the wise man, because the sages only talk when it is needed, and the words are measured and corresponding with the need." Thank you very much for being associated with us in good times. Thank you very much for standing by us and supporting us when we need you. My dear teaching and non-teaching staff, I am proud of you for your dedicated service rendered to the institution. Without your support, St. Mary's would not stand as tall as this. My dear students, I admire you for carrying forward the legacy of St. Mary's School, Malda. And my dear guardians, you are our biggest assets. You have supported us from the beginning of this institution. You have the option at your hand to choose from many schools around in Malda, but you have chosen St. Mary's School. As the motto of our school, let your light shine for everyone to see that you are part of St. Mary's School, Malda. Enjoy the evening. May God bless you all. Wishing you in advance a Merry Christmas. May the child Jesus bless you and bless your families. I wish you also a very prosperous New Year 2026 in advance. May the new year bring you new zeal, enthusiasm, hope, and joy. Thank you.
That was a beautiful reflection of our school. Thank you, Father Kishore, for your wonderful biennial report.
Parents of KG2A, kindly collect your children from the room number 13. KG2A এর অভিভাবকদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলা হচ্ছে যে আপনারা আপনাদের বাচ্চাদেরকে রুম নাম্বার 13 থেকে নিয়ে আসুন।
My dearest audience, our respected guest of honor, Shri Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary, has arrived to honor this ceremony.
He is also the former MLA and the former Minister of West Bengal.
He is now the chairman of the English Bazar municipality. So, my dearest audience, I request you to give him a huge round of applause.
He is now entering the school premises by being escorted by the escort team.
We welcome you, sir, to our 11th biennial concert. We are really honored to have you here.
Your presence here, sir, has actually illuminated this entire program.
Thank you, sir, to consent to be a part of this evening.
Please, everybody, let's put our hands together for him. Thank you so much, sir, for being here and glorifying and dignifying this entire occasion.
Teachers and parents, wherever you are, put up your big round of applause. Come on, wherever you are. It's not loud enough. Come on.
Thank you, sir, for consenting to be a part of this program. We are indeed honored to have you here, and words cannot express how much delighted we feel.
And now, to mark this occasion, we have decided to honor him with an Uttoriyo. Our respected principal, Father Kishore Bakla, is now honoring Sir Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary with the memento.
Now our principal, Father Kishore Bakla, is honoring Sir Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary with a plant.
The plant will serve as a living reminder of this day.
Now, I would like to request our honorable guest of honor to take upon his seat.
Thank you, sir, for being here. Your presence today, as I repeat again, has indeed made us feel grateful.